The men that listen, if men will be coming after you, I'm not talking to this man right now. When men come after you, I'm talking to you for a female. If men come after you, those are other spirits that will be seeing another spirit of that trait. Who are you?
I'm a queen.
And you, as a queen, what is your mission? What is your operation?
To seduce. To seduce.
To seduce?
Yes.
What kind of people do you seduce?
Big boys. Big boys.
Yeah. Not small boys. Not you, Mboneni. You are still a small boy.